Whew. Hi guys, I'm here with my wife and we just had a quick 5K. Yan. So, while running, na-realize ko lang ang daming taong gusto maging fit and healthy yung lifestyle nila. But they're not taking action. So, hindi pwede na gugustuhin mo lang siya. Kumbaga, kailangan mong bumangon, ayan, and tumakbo. See, ang daming tao ngayon. It's a Sunday. Yan. And I'm here pala with the CEO of Imaika Aesthetics.
Hi!
Ikaw naman, Mami, ano masasabi mo? Oops!
Anong masasabi ko about what?
About being fit. Ayan, paano mo siya may relate para magkaroon tayo ng glowing and youthful skin.
Ako, for always naman, lagi kong sinasabi sa mga tao, whatever you do, whatever you put inside, the food that you eat, your lifestyle, everything, it will show on your physical appearance, no? So, for example, you have acne and you wanted to have a clear skin. Oh, check nyo muna. What are the food that you eat, 'di ba? Baka puro junk 'yan, 'di ba? Hindi po siya matatapos with just praying. Hindi ka magiging clear skin sa pagdarasal lang. Of course, sasamahan mo 'yan ng treatment din, sasamahan mo 'yan ng disiplina. Just like what my husband says, 'di ba? If you wanted to become fit, hindi po 'yan kailangan hindi po yan pagdarasal lang. Hindi po yan sasabihin mo lang, ay gusto ko magkaroon ng six-pack abs. Hindi po yan lumalabas lang bigla. No? You have to work out, you have to run, you have to check on your diet as well. Lahat po yan. It's gonna be a holistic approach. Same goes with the skin. If you wanted to have a clear skin, edi check on your diet as well. Check on your habit as well, no? Baka hindi ka naghihilamos or hindi ka naglilinis ng mukha, 'di ba? Tapos yung paligid mo din madumi, 'di ba? Kahit anong skincare mo diyan, if it's not going to be, it's a holistic approach. It's always a holistic approach.
Yan, very well said. So, hindi lang pala puro kayod ng mukha, no? Kailangan malinis din sa loob.
Kailangan disiplinado din.
Yes, yan. So, napakain kami for how many days? Yan.
Yeah.
Hindi po healthy ang mga pagkain sa labas. Whether fine dine pa yan or fast food.
Yeah.
Lahat po yan hindi okay sa katawan. So, tama kayo, maling-mali ka. Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday!